Hello everyone, I am Chanide from ET Brand Gadi Chakti Vishwavidyalaya. These are the basic details about me. My objective was making a typing test using C language. Problem statement. In problem statement, I take that a particular problem that every beginner face about fast typing speed, what about their accuracy, it does not belong to any domain as a programming or non-programming. The speed typewriting speed on computer is necessary for all people. That's my point of view. There are many objectives of my program, but I take majorly three objectives for making my program: to solve the typing speed problem of users, to recognize their potential in field of speed writing, to provide supporting data to user for self-analysis. These are three of my main objectives. Working terminology. This is prototype of my program. I firstly take the data from user. Then if user enter 1, then the program start. After entering 1, the timer start and the user now need to enter the text. By this time I take after entering the text, I take the number of text and find speed of user for that sentence. Average speed here defined in words per minute. Words per minute is taken to be a central unit from my side. I make an external function for calculating highest ever achieved record. Means that in program you can find that what's your highest achieved record. Photo slide. In photo slide I show about my program. This is my program. I use three main library. Which are the header of my file: studio.h, time.h, string.h. I talk about basically all things in it. All functions, all library use, I will talk about them later. Basically in average function I store the highest record value as well as what level you can achieve next. In typing we can see that I take a variable time underscore t start and end. Time underscore t here is variable type and start and end are defining phase, means these are variables and other are basic simple variables. I use time for taking particular instant and time start, time end, and then take difference between time so that I can get the roughly idea on which time it start, on which time it end. After that I go into main function and using of do while I execute the typing function. In this I use get there also. It is very useful for input data buffering. Clearing, more like that. Clearing of input data buffering. These are the result of my program. These are the photo results. If I enter after starting, you need to do at least one time. After that you can leave or like that thing. You need to just enter 1 to start, and after entering 1 the program will start. Now you need to type, like here I give whole data to user ki how much slow, average, fast. I saw here only. Then after time I start, my user write this. I count number of letters, number of words, and time taken in the program, and average letter per minute, and the highest record like that. I take all the data and highest record. These are my photo slides. Library and special function use. I mainly use studio library, string library and time library. Studio and string library for basic functions and time library for advanced working. Function declare. I here declare three functions: average function, main function, and typing function. Statement use. Which statement I use? Basically, I in a statement use I use mo most of below given statement type, and in this get there is most one of the most important because it clear the input data buffering. And if else, do while, printf, scanf, get, these are important too and you commonly used. Special statement time or defer time. I tell about time that it tell about a particular instant. Like in variable we add at the rate start, time at the rate start, time at the rate end. In this we saw that but we take particular instant and then using defer time we check the time between starting and ending. Learning step. Learning aspect. By this process or project I learn about how to use time library. I learned how to type proper prompt for AI. AI is made for better use for programmers. I made program by myself for use AI for debugging. There are many certain places where I use AI for debugging. Use of get star. This was the clear use of AI. There was a input buffering due to which I was suffering whole time in my program. But when I asked AI for debugging, he suggested that use GetStar, and I introduced GetStar so that my input data buffering can be stopped. I myself try best to think the code and make program front end more attractive. Now next we go to the video. Hello everyone. This is my working prototype on the project of typing test application. Here we start. Here I have mentioned the speed of grammar per minute required and what's their level according to word per minute. Here it's so that I have entered total 16 words and total time taken 17. So average letter per minute is 56.471. This is average and this is skill level. Here highest record till now is 56, and if I again press 1 then it will again continue. This is random stuff written by me. So let's check the speed. It is showing 138 highest record. I write total 30 words, 30 letters, 2 words, and time taken is 13 seconds. And average letter per minute is 138.462. Highest record is outside this program so that we can actually record highest record for a certain time. Highest record remain constant if our score is low. Let's see again. I write a simple application and I take a brief time and I take more time so that it will show less average letter per minute so that my highest record can be checked. Let's start. Here see that 38.400. You reach only skill level. you can reach only the skill level 50 to 80. Here I am from 40 to 50 or like above average, below average, sorry. I am at average level and the highest is still showing 138.462. Thank you.